guys, welcome back for another vlog. Today we're just gonna be chilling at home. I think the kids just finished doing their virtual learning. On Fridays they don't have a live class. They have schoolwork, but they don't have a, sorry, let me fix this drives me crazy. They don't have a live class. Hold on, there you go. So they're done with that. I'm working on some rolling pins so I can hopefully have those shipped out today and be done with that. They have the candle sale right now at Bath and Body Works, and I was going to order them online, but the thing with that is once you put the coupon code in, which is the coupon code is candle, you can't add any other coupons, plus you have to pay for shipping. Like, and is it just me, but did they go up $1? They used to be like $8.95 or $8. Now they're $9.95. Like, what's going on? It's still cheaper, I guess, you know, but y'all, let's just say I'm cheap. I'm gonna be honest with you. I look a struggle. I washed my hair yesterday and I had to, when I tell you I filmed at the virtual learning with Destiny, I filmed orders, I shipped orders, and then in between all of that, I had to wash my hair. So that's why it looks like this. But I'm working on some rolling pins now. My husband is outside changing the spark plugs on our truck. Thank God for husbands that can work on a car. And I was gonna go run errands today. That's what I was talking about. Sorry, I'm all over the place. But Destiny is sick. The thing is, I have two out of my 3 kids have asthma. And when it gets cold, they start to cough really bad. Well, it was hot here last week, like 70, 75. Then it got down to 40s and 27 degrees. So when I tell you, even with the heat on, it still feels cold. That's why I have a hoodie on. I've been walking around in cardigans and stuff. And when it gets cold, she gets really sick. Like, we don't hardly go to anywhere. We're pretty much home all the time. Nobody here is sick, but she got really sick, so she's really congested and she's coughing. She's in her room right now, not feeling too good. So I'm gonna stay home, and because even if I did go out, if she start coughing, you know how people feel with coughing now. So we're gonna stay home anyway. So did I tell you guys I burned the skin off my arm? It hurts so bad. I was reaching over to put one of the picks inside of the wreath, because I was making a wood wreath. And I was reaching, it wasn't very smart of me. I was reaching over the hot glue gun. Let me see if I can focus this. I'm sorry, you guys, because I was reaching over the hot glue gun and burned the skin right off. Like, it just burned it right off. Man, I screamed. It hurts so bad and it burns. Like, I burn my fingertips all the time because I'm always making the ribbon and I use my fingertips a lot. And I'm always, I honestly feel like I'm losing my fingerprints. I'm always getting burned. Hold on, you guys. I'm gonna have this shipped out today. It's Friday. I'm not cooking on Fridays. I don't like to cook, so we most likely will be ordering pizza today. Thank you, Jesus. I cooked dinner yesterday, and you guys will see it in my Sunday video. I made some beef stew meat in the slow cooker, so you'll see it then. Oh, okay. So I was filming a cleaning video yesterday, and I filmed the bathroom, my bedroom, and the half bathroom. When I was uploading it, it deleted those clips. So I cleaned for nothing. Well, I cleaned for myself, but you know what I mean? After filming it, positioning the camera, and doing the whole shebang, just for it to have deleted my clips, I was so upset. But I was hoping for a longer video, but that's what happened. I swear. I'm taking it as it was not meant for me to post that. Because the thing with cleaning videos, you guys, Most people love them, but you will always have the comments of someone that does not like something that you're doing because they do it a certain way. You know what I'm saying? So the most comments I get is when I clean my bathrooms. I see it as the Lord looking out for me when he deleted those clips, because I swear to you, every time I clean the bathroom, that's when I get the most comments. Not very nice ones, honestly. The hubster is changing out the spark plug. Y'all, we save a lot of money doing the car work ourselves. Well, I can't include myself because y'all, I can't work on no cars.
Basically a tune-up.
A tune-up.
They charge your arm and a leg.
Pretty much, and then he knows how to do it all himself. So we save a lot. So I wanted to go look at Christmas lights, you guys, but my husband's working tonight. So we can't do it tonight. We'll do it tomorrow night.
Yeah, you get some hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate, some popcorn. Look at Christmas lights. So there's a group on Facebook in our area that they have like their Christmas lights. They'll put their address on there so you could go look at their houses, and they'll sync their Christmas lights with the radio station. So I think we'll do that tomorrow night. But in our neighborhood, it's only like 1 or 2 houses that decorate for Christmas, us being one of them. Not many people do it. I don't know why. It makes me so happy. So comment down below, do you guys like color lights on your house or white lights? I used to like white lights, but I kind of, the kids wanted Christmas lights, like the colorful lights, and we added colorful lights, and I kind of like the colorful ones better on a house. I feel it looks more Christmassy, I guess, you know. But that's what we'll probably do tomorrow night. We don't have much to do today. And then we'll watch what? I want to watch the Christmas Chronicles on Netflix. So we have not watched that yet. We did watch Jingle Jangle. We liked it. The boys didn't like it as much because it's a musical. Not because it's a bad movie or anything, but because it's a musical, they don't like it. But we liked it. So my husband and I ended up finishing that. So we loved it. So they have Christmas Chronicles 2, which I loved the first one. It was so good. And one movie I have never seen before, but I always see people talk about it, is The Christmas Vacation. Have you seen that before, babe?
Oh, yeah.
Christmas, it's an older Christmas movie, but I guess, yeah, I have never seen that before. I'm sorry. But last year was my first time watching A Christmas Story. I've never seen A Christmas Story before, and I love it. I loved it. So we'll probably watch that again this year. So last week at church, our pastor was talking about the 5 love languages, right? The first one, what is it? Gifts, words of affirmation, like acts of service. Well, there's 2 more. Gifts. Anyway, look it up if you're you want to know. I think gifts, words of affirmation, acts of service. What else? Like touchy-feely type, and it was something else. I gotta look it up. Anyway, mine, I know for sure, it used, before I had kids, mine was gifts. I loved when my husband gave me gifts and it was mushy. And now it's not gifts. Like, I love to give other people gifts, but it's not gifts for me. Like, I like acts of service. So when my husband cleans and unloads the dishwasher, it's a turn on. Look, he's shaking his head. Like, I love it. What? I love it. Like a man like fixing up a car. I love that kind of stuff. Not so much gifts. I mean, I like it and everything, but it's not like something I have to have. But acts of service, you know, it's my favorite. What's yours?
Food.
Huh?
Food.
Food?
Yeah.
Food? Really? That's, well, I mean, you can show love through food, right? I guess so.
That's right. Need to know my baby can cook.
Yeah, I guess I feed y'all. I do a little something in the kitchen.
So you're right.
Oh, you need help, sir.
Okay. They tell me that all the time.
Y'all, I'm in here in these streets walking around looking like this. Okay, so I'm searching the 5 love languages. So the first one is words of affirmation. So basically, you know, you have to hear I love you, you're so beautiful, you know, stuff like that. Second one is quality time. That one is a good one for me. Like quality time, yes, that's a good one. Third one is receiving gifts. So I used to love receiving gifts. Not that I don't now, but it's not like my favorite. I love giving other people gifts though. Acts of service. So that's number 1 for me. Like help me around the house. That's what I like. And then the last one is physical touch. So cuddling, constantly holding hands, stuff like that. That one is, I would say I like it, but it's not my favorite. So comment down below which one is like your love language. I just finished burning this candle from Aldi. It was only like $3 or $4.99 or something like that. I just finished it. It smells so good. But now I'm getting ready to burn the Winter Lodge. I got this from TJ Maxx and it was $7.99. And I love when it has this kind of wick because it makes a sound like if you had a fireplace. Getting ready to burn this candle. I don't know why, guys, but candles get me so excited. Oh, did it burn? Nope. Did it do it? No, it still didn't do it. Let's do. Did it do it this time? Yes, it did. About to get my Merry Christmas mug. I have a bunch of, well, these are the Christmas ones that I have. So I have cheered, blah, 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 blah. Elf, and then I have Believe, and I have the Believe in red and green. Ho, ho, ho. That one is Joy. Which one did I use this morning? Merry Christmas. What else do I have? Let's see. Peppermint Mocha. Let me turn this around. Naughty, and this one you can flip it over. It says nice. And then I have 2 more which are over here. Well, I have actually more than 2. And then there's these 2 right here. And then on my tier tray, I have the Santa's Helper and the Noel. Did I put any more here? No, I didn't. Y'all know how much I love drinking tea. This one has actually become my new favorite right now. So I hope if you're looking for tea that you try this one out. I'm trying to do this in one-handed. Let me put this camera. I got the water, the kettle going. I want some tea. It is cold. Put this away. And I'm going to get some honey. This is the one I normally use, which is the Georgia honey, raw honey. I get this from Walmart, and they also have it at Sam's Club here. They have it in a bigger bottle, which I will be getting soon. But I love drinking tea. All right. Alright, so my husband just checked the P.O. box and I got 2 Christmas cards from my subscribers. The first one is from Angie, from Angie Simple's Life. And it says, May your Christmas be filled with the magic of splendor and the holiday season. I hope you all have a Merry Christmas. And this is from Angie. Thank you, Angie. And y'all, I've told you before, I love Christmas cards. And I have a P.O. box if you didn't know. So if you want to send me a P.O. box, who am I to stop you, right? I have another card from Rachel, and it says, Yesenia, I watch all your videos and thank you for sharing your ideas. Merry Christmas and have a wonderful year. Love from Texas, Rachel Bell. Thank you so much. Oh my God, I love Christmas cards. Thank you, you guys. I'm about to get all emotional, but I truly appreciate it. It makes me feel like, you know, when you film, you're filming by yourself, but there's actual people out there that watch your videos. So thank you so much, guys. Destiny a box to play with.
So it's gonna be my generation Bella's bed, even though she's a bit bigger than that. And then this company has cute blanket. This is my baby blanket.
It's true, this is her baby blanket. I brought her home from the hospital with this blanket. Now she uses it for her dolls. And I actually saved a lot of her baby clothes for her dolls so that she can play with them. And sure enough, that's what she puts on her babies, is her baby onesies and stuff.
And look, I know you could probably see her feet though. She's a bit bigger. I don't know where her pillow is. I have a pillow, like one though.
You guys, it's raining outside right now. It is pouring out rain. My husband's getting ready to order some pizza.
Yes, pizza Hut.
Yeah. Now, fun fact, you guys, she doesn't eat any other pizza besides Pizza Hut. No homemade pizza, no Italian pizza, no Domino's pizza, no Walmart pizza, no Costco pizza.
I do eat Walmart.
No, ma'am, you don't. We give you Walmart pizza. You said it's nasty. The only thing she eats is a Pizza Hut. I don't understand why.
It's my favorite pizza. It's so yummy.
I thought you was gonna color your box.
I probably will, but not today. Look,
Oh, okay.
guys.
Oh yeah, y'all can see the elves.
So yesterday, Terry was hiding upstairs with Boston and Boo, and then Boston got mad because Terry wanted to give Boston back his boot. And then Boston was sitting on the reindeer, said, "Tell Terry to give me my boot back." And then this morning we saw Boston tackling Terry.
These two elves, they're a trip, you guys, but they ended up on one of them on my tier tray. And this one's Cherry and this one's Boston.
You showed his foot.
Yeah. And we are having pizza for dinner. Yum. So I'm getting ready to take a shower, but before I start taking a shower, I'm gonna use the St. Ives Fresh Skin. I love all of the St. Ives facial products. I had the acne one, but I'm completely out and I'm almost finished with this one. I also have, let me check my drawer. I have this one as well, the Gentle Soothing. I think that's the last one. Let me see. Oh no, I thought it was out, but it's pretty much finished. And I know they have some other ones as well, but that's the only ones I have so far. I know I threw one away, but can't remember which one. I think it was called Soft Skin. This one is the Fresh Skin, but I think the one I finished was the Soft Skin. But I definitely recommend it. I love all of them. And I think I need to go to Target, and Amazon also sells them as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. And keep a lookout for my next videos, guys. Bye.